Hello everybody, what you're looking at here is a 1986 Lih-Tzer Enterprise ceiling fan. I got this fan at a thrift store for 20 bucks. This fan did not come with a single footer. It originally came with a forearm light kit, which was in terrible shape, so I scrapped it. But yeah, it reverses from cane to oak, and I will keep the light on for the video. The tag is right here. And it has an interesting coupler. And this down rod, not original, did come with an antique brass down rod. It was shorter, but I needed a longer down rod for this fan. This is a little bit loud. I like the noise it makes, so it's very nice noise. I like these Panama-vents. They're very interesting. I believe this is my fifth Panama-vent, I believe. This is an anti-brass finish, as you can see. It wasn't obvious already. And it originally did not come with any pull tent, so I did put both of those on them. I love this fan a lot. It does wobble a little bit because one of the blades warped, I believe. Kind of see the way they're going up and down. The noise kind of goes away whenever it's on medium and high. See, it has a slight wobble on medium speed. So the one that's gone. What the hell? It still kind of has a slight wobble, but otherwise it looks like it's gone. I don't know why. Very odd. Kind of want to say about a Hampton-made landmark, but more towards a Hampton-made landmark than a Panama because of the filigree. Let's reverse it. Ooh, that's wobbly. As you can see, it wobbles way more on reverse than it does when it's on forward. done. Turn it off. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of the 52-inch Lih-Tzer Enterprise ceiling fan made in 1986, and I am out.